Hey guys, we're over unboxing video again. This time it's the Nerf Retaliator. Yeah, Nerf and Strike Elite Retaliator. Let's open this up, shall we? The Alpha Trooper. That's something stuck in. Let's read it for this. Because everyone says it's better. This is better. Oh yeah. Can you see it? I can see the box. So this is it. Oh my gosh. Oh, here's the front and here's the back. I forgot to do that. So here's all of those parts. Just hold on tape. No. Right. Do that there. Here's the stock, the barrel thing, the grip, and the gun. Oh my god, pretty heavy. Yep. Bang. So let's put this together. Okay. So. Never really done this, so don't blame me, please. Oh my god. Come on. I'll have to look at the instructions right there. Fine. I've done it. And done. Okay, let's put this in.
Yeah, man.
Okay, bye bye.